Jamaica, watch
And
this.
who don't like it, hug it up. Tough luck. That is the reality. That is performance. That is management. In 33 days, 33 days, less than 5 weeks, the IMF, the multilateral institutions, are announcing that because of Jamaica's track record of fiscal prudence, they have already committed nearly US $7 billion of the US $9 billion that Jamaica will need over the next 3 to 5 years to rebuild after Melissa. That is an outstanding vote of confidence in Jamaica and the administration of Andrew Michael Holness.